first part of Oyama. There's kind of like a little shopping district with a bunch of touristy places to buy things. I think there's inns here also. There's the cable car station. We're not taking it this time. We've taken it before. Alright, right once you get to the cable car station, there's a really good map. It shows you all the different routes. A lot of different routes on Oyama. Plenty of stuff to see. A lot of shrines on the way. This diagram here is really helpful for planning how long it's going to take. Definitely take a picture of that. So here's the sign with the two trails at the cable car station toward the foot of the mountain. Onazaka Trail is the women's trail. It takes about 40 minutes and it stops at Oyama Dara Temple along the way, and it's lighted. Otoko Zaka Trail is the men's trail. It is not lighted. It's about 30 minutes. Took us actually 40. It is no temple along the way or shrine. But yeah, it's recommend you take one going up and then one going down. Take the men's going up and take the women's going down. This is the stone approach up to the Oyama Shrine after you get off the cable car. It's really cool. Lots of kanji. It could just be corporate sponsors, I don't know. All right, Zama Mama, how you feeling?
Okay, tired and sweaty.
All right, another 90 minutes to go to get to the summit. This is a pretty large shrine. I forget the name of it. It's we've been in there before. They've got a fountain with that has water coming out of a dragon's mouth. The view's pretty incredible up here also. So inside this temple, they have this holy mountain water straight from the source right here. They say that the water from the mountain is extra special. They make a special kind of tofu here that's kind of renowned in Japan. All right, so we're going to fill up this holy water. This is the true raw water, magical healing power. There's some Ima plaques. This guy's probably saying, turn back. It's another 90 minutes. Don't do it. Okay, yeah, I remember this part. This is there's a really steep set of steps right after the shrine. It's pretty brutal.
I'm gonna just go to the side real quick.
Making our way up the steps now. It's a pretty intense. About halfway there. Oyama Mountain is supposed to be one of the power spots in Japan. It's kind of cheesy, but you can kind of feel it once you walk through that shrine, step through the torii gate. It's like you're going into a whole different realm, like a different spiritual, metaphysical plane. All right, this guy here, he's got the biggest pack I've ever seen. Oh my God, look at all that stuff. Whoa, he's gonna be doing some partying tonight. This is crazy. This hike is so intense. We actually came across this burial mound of a hiker that passed recently. So it's really respectful to put a stone there. About 20 minutes from the summit. Pretty much at the summit. Last time we were here, it's over a year ago. Everything was closed up. It was the height of COVID. It's pretty cold and cloudy too at the time. Looks like they got some shops open there. There's a few people up here. When we came here last year, it was pretty deserted. Probably a combination of the weather and COVID, but definitely a lot more people here. We're gonna take a short break and head back down. Summit markers right over here. Zama Mama and I, we made it to the summit of Oyama again. I think this is our third time up here. Is that right?
Third time.
So a lot more people, but just as cloudy. How do you feel?
I feel tired, but I'm okay. Good, feel accomplished.
It's about 3.5 hours to get from the parking spot near the cable car all the way up to the top.
I don't remember all these slippery spots on the way up.
All right, so going up, we took Otokozaka Trail, and now we're taking Onokozaka Trail, which is the women's trail. The men's trail is a little more difficult, and it doesn't have lights, so if it's getting dark, you definitely don't want to go down that one. The Onozaka Trail will also take you by another shrine. It's a little longer route, but along that route there's another additional shrine with the disc throwing. I'll see if I can find the video of us doing that disc throwing from last year. Here it comes. Cable car will take you about 6 minutes to get up to the shrine. Otherwise, it's about a 30-minute hike if you take the Tokozaka trail. But if you take the other trail, it'll take about 40 minutes. All right, this is the other shrine. Over here, they have the disc game. I'll find that video and show you guys that disc game video. And then they also had a bell up here that we were able to ring last time. You can see the bell right there. I got that video also. This is the disc game. You have to throw the disc through that loop down there, and you win a prize.